Welcome to STEMucation Academy. Our goal is to provide an overview of the training and educational resources which were developed using challenge-based learning with the integrated engineering design process. The Cincinnati Engineering Enhanced Math and Science Program, or CEEMS for short, funded by the National Science Foundation, was the predecessor to STEMucation Academy. During the CEEMS program, teachers attended classes and developed multiple units of instruction. The completed units included challenge-based learning and engineering design process principles. To enhance their education, experienced coaches provided support during the development and implementation of their instructional units. As in the CEEMS training approach, STEMucation Academy Professional Development offers the same elements to prepare the teachers to successfully incorporate challenge-based learning with integrated engineering design process principles. Online and on-site training options are available with both introductory and advanced options. During the workshop of your choosing, you develop a unit of instruction for your classroom and implement it at the appropriate time. To enhance the quality of your unit of instruction and to support you through the entire process, you're assigned a coach who has been through the extensive CEEMS training program and have implemented their own units of instruction in their classrooms. For those who are not familiar with the engineering design process, this flow chart illustrates the process we use in our training. There are a number of engineering design process flowcharts presented in the literature, but this is the one selected because it mirrors the 8 engineering practices in the NGSS standard. As you can see, this is an iterative problem-solving process that can be used to solve a variety of engineering challenges that you might propose to your students. Some of the key aspects of our training include, most importantly, the concept of learning by doing. During the workshop, you and your team will be presented with an engineering problem that you'll have to solve. Also, in collaboration with your team members, you will develop a unit of instruction which will be critiqued by an experienced coach. Both online and on-site training options are available in both introductory and more advanced formats. To aid in the development of your unit of instruction, templates are provided, and if you like, you can use the hyperlinks at the bottom of the slide to access a blank template example as well as a completed template. What you may find beneficial are the completed units of instruction that are available on our website, STEMucationacademy.com. Simply enter STEMucationacademy.com into your web browser and then click on Units. In the search box, enter terms such as 7th grade math or biology or 8th grade science or possibly middle school or high school, then click the green icon to do the search. In this example, 7th grade science was the search term. Note that each unit displays the tags associated with it and can be used as search terms to find other units of instruction. To see more information about a unit, click on the green hyperlink. This will provide more information about the unit and may include a video describing the unit, a brief overview of the unit, as well as links to the unit plan, which is an overview document that describes some of the key aspects of the unit. The unit page, in some instances, will provide all of the unit documents for you to download and modify for your own use. In summary, STEMucation Academy is an extension of a successful CEEMS program that provides professional development for middle and high school math and science teachers. The STEMucation Academy website also serves as a searchable repository for classroom-tested units of instruction that incorporate challenge-based learning with the integrated engineering design process problem-solving methodology. For more information, you can contact us a variety of ways as noted on this slide, or visit our showcase on Whova and download our handout about STEMucation Academy and enter our raffle for a book about the CBL EDP methodology. Once again, our website is STEMucationacademy.com. Let us know if we can help you become a CBL EDP practitioner.